is a very simple way to identify and to find your daily bias using the ICT concept. We have to first of all go to the daily time frame. So you want to reset the chart on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, what do we have? We can see that this is overall bearish, right? Now, how do you know your daily bias? How do you trade it? It's very simple. All you have to do is to follow exactly what I want to share with you today in this video. So on the daily time frame, what can we see on the daily time frame? Now, the first thing I can see on the daily time frame is a break of structure to where? To the downside. So we have this area as a break of structure. Saying that we have this as a break of structure, what is that telling us? It's telling us that it's selling. Now, I have another thing which I can see. And what is that? I can see a valid supply zone, which is this area. So you could possibly call that an order block because this was the last push before price went to the downside. And I have another area which I'm seeing here. And what is that? This is the candle which was responsible for the break of structure, which means that this zone is actually a strong zone. So price comes in, tap into it, telling us that, okay, we are still bearish. All right. So what do we see? We can as well see another break of structure right here. You know, this is a daily time frame. So you have to treat it as one. You have to treat it as one. So we have this. So on the daily time frame, we could see that we are overall bearish. But the first thing you want to identify is your trading range. So this is your trading range. On the daily, we have this and we have this. Now, this is a long-term range. So you want to also understand, have that in your mind first. Also, this is a daily range, right? A very long-term stuff. So on the 4 hour, we're not going to waste time on daily because daily you just want to use it to see the overall movement of the market. Now on the 4 hours, if we go to the 4 hour time frame, all right, so this is not the 4 hour, this is the 4 minutes. So if we go to the 4 hour time frame, okay, so this is the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, what do we see? So we can easily refine our zones. And what is the refinement? This becomes our refinement. All right. So that's our refinement. So this is the daily zone. This is the daily zone and it has been refined now to the 4 hour zone. Now you might want to keep your daily stuff in case you don't understand it well. Right? But for you to understand this better, we're going to refine this. So we have this area as well as a break of structure in the daily time frame, right? But this is now a liquidity on the 4 hour. Now, how do you understand that? Okay, where should I take my trade? Should I take a buy or take a sell? It's very, very simple. So like I said, we have what? We have the ranges. Now, where are the ranges? We have range high and range low. So anything in between is what we're trading. So want to buy cheap and sell expensive, right? Which gives us the discount and premium strategy. So we have this area as, so we just pull it from range to range. So when we pull it from range to range, you could see that price is currently at a discount level, meaning that on the 4 hours, we are currently bullish. But I also wanted to have the overall trend in mind, which is bearish, but we want to react with what we are seeing on the chart. So what can we see? The first thing we could see is we have the first movement push to the upside, which is the 4 hour change of character, and we have a break of market structure at this point, a 4 hour break of structure at this point. So basically, this is exactly how you frame your daily bias for you to understand, so that you don't get confused during the day. And one more thing you must understand, I want to believe that you are a day trader. You want to trade the London and the New York sessions only. All right, so this is a valid zone where price is reacting from currently, and I'm going to mark this as my bullish order block. So based on this, what can we find next? What is the next thing that we want to understand? Like I said, the first thing is the ranges, your trading range rather, and the second thing is the premium discount. So currently now we are in the discount level. As you can see, price is below the 50% of the fib, right? So what do? We are expecting more buys, and seeing that price is respecting this 4-hour order block, bullish order block, which took out several highs, took out high, took out several highs before the mitigation of that daily supply zone. So after the mitigation of that daily supply zone, price pushed down and broke structure to the downside, got a change of character and mitigated this zone. So seeing that price had mitigated this zone, remember we are still bullish. Now, how do I know that we have a change of character here? So this is a valid change of character to the upside here. So saying that this is a valid change of character to the upside, which gives us more confidence to take our buy setups from this zone. So that's exactly why we have that area, and that's why I took my buy earlier during the London session. So we'll go to the 15-minute time frame, because that's the next time frame you want to go to. So you reset your chart as usual, and what do you see on the 15-minute time frame? The thing I can see here is I can see ranges, right? And you don't want to be trade, you don't want to trade because in these ranges. But seeing that you are a day trader, you can do it. And how can you do that? It's very simple. All you have to do, just stick to the externals only, and you will be safe. Now, inside this zone, if we analyze this, we're going to see where we are in the market. So as you could see, I'm going to use this tool so that it will be faster. We have a break to the upside, another break to the upside, right? And this order block is held a little, but it got violated, and there was a deeper mitigation into the zone. And what do we have next? We now have another break of structure to the upside, which makes this zone valid, and that's the zone, the exact zone that I took my buy. So on the by London session, I knew that okay, I'm going to be buying the London session. Then on the New York session, I have to do my analysis and say, okay, this is what I would do, or this is what I won't do, right? So that's exactly how I was able to get into this buy trade using the FXTD 6 steps confirmations entry. So we have this zone being mitigated and price pushed up before this push down of price. And what can we see here? Only thing I can see here is this. This is where price is currently now. So where price is currently now, we have a valid, this is a valid bearish order block, which can be regarded as a supply zone, right? So basically that's where price is at the moment. If we go to the 5-minute time frame, this is exactly what we have on the on the 5-minute time frame. We have a break upside right there. So that's exactly what we have. So basically, if you ask me, I will tell you that this market might want to buy, might want to take out all of this liquidity, right? But you don't predict, you don't know if it's going to take it now, so you just react. So basically, if price comes and break this low and give FXTD confirmation there, or gives a confirmation, you might want to take this sell. So to be really safe, all you have to do, you want to see this high got broken with full momentum to take your buys, or you want to see this 4-hour demand zone or bullish order block taking with full momentum before you look for possible sell scenarios, right? So this is a very simple way to identify and to find your daily buyers using the ICT concept. In case you find this video useful, do well to smash the like button, comment, let me know your thoughts, how you do find your buyers, and do well to subscribe for more valuable content just like this. Do well to watch the video on the end right now, and peace.